Hi, I am Jowan Smith. I am the CEO of 1000 Ties, and we had a great event today. We had a huge turnout, so many community resources. We had the men from Kappa Alpha Psi that came out and many other great speakers, including Chris Scott, and I'm just so excited about what the event was able to do for the young men.
To believe in your dreams. Somewhere along the lines, this was dropped.
Hello, I'm Jordan Huff. I'm a sophomore at New Tech East High School, and today I'm at the 1000 Ties event. And today we interacted with a lot of men, and they taught us life lessons, how to be better young men. They taught us business opportunities. They taught us how to manage our money. They did a lot for us.
A little bit about myself, inner city Cleveland kid, grew up with a GED and did very, very well in the corporate world, earning over 6 figures, starting from a $6 an hour income. So I think that was a powerful message for the young men that I spoke to. I think this program is essential for our young men, our young boys, especially our young black men, to know that they can raise the standard for themselves. One of my guys used that raising the standard. I think is so important for them to know when they go out in society, they don't have to be mediocre. They can go out there, have the standard high, and go out and execute at a high level.
If someone doesn't teach you these principles, how are you going to pass it down to your legacy?
They went to us individually and they taught us how to tie ties. And at the end, we just took a big group picture. It was just a really nice family event. Both my parents came, as well as me, my coach, and my teammates. And I think we all just had a lot of fun.
And the one thing that I did like was on how they said to choose your friends wisely, because you don't know when they're going to turn on you much at certain time periods if you do take certain stuff seriously. And I may come back here next year.
Head coach Brett Moore from East Tech High School, fresh off the 2020 City Championship, here at the 1000 Ties event to talk to the young men about sportsmanship and things that they can do to improve being a better sportsman and leader on the court and off the court.
Only thing you can control is your effort. All that stuff makes you better.
And I came here today with my son Zaire. I must say this was a fabulous event. Me being a single mother, definitely with all the gentlemen here to help the boys, talk to them. Such a great experience. He learned how to tie a tie today, which is something he did not know how to do. Me and him tried to tough it out before on YouTube and did not succeed, so this was definitely a much needed event. We will definitely be back next year.
Very positive, happy to be here with community upliftment and looking forward to the next event. Thank you.